If you're working with a new receiver to you and you want to get closer up on the thigh but you feel like you're near the groin, a good way to dampen pressure and make someone feel safe and secure is you can cover them with a towel. That's going to allow me to come up much higher and put a little pressure right in there. And she immediately starts nodding, saying, "Oh, this is so much better." I'm going to change the position there a little bit so I have both right in there. One, you're providing more comfort because she's covered and feels secure. On the other end, it's not as sharp because the towel has dampened the pressure. This is a really great tool to use even if you're working over sheets and a blanket. Just ask the receiver for feedback. If the tool is too sharp, try throwing down a pillowcase or a towel and seeing if it dampens the pressure so they can more easily receive the work.